Welcome to Country Outdoor Survival. I'm gonna go ahead and get a meal off the land today. Stay tuned. Here we got milkweed pods. Pods are edible. Make sure get them when they're small. I'm gonna leave a couple on the plant so that way seeds will reproduce. Okay. Yeah, looks like something's been eaten off them. But I'm gonna go ahead and collect some of these. This plant is really cool. I had to show you guys this. I'm not touching it. It's got thorns on it. It's got to be in the thistle family. And as soon as I look this plant up, I will post what it is. There's a little woodpecker right out there in that branch. Oh, there he goes. There's a very large thistle. Showed it in one of my other videos. There's medical use. And as you can tell, it's very thorny. There's one type of choke cherry I had to mention. And there's another one. I'll show you the third color. Now there's the other one. Choke cherries have a natural chemical in them that makes your mouth so dry that you start choking and possibly vomiting. Behind me is staghorn sumac. I'll show you how to make the tea. The tea tastes like pink lemonade. And I'll get closer to the berry for you. You eat these in salads. The berry portion you can eat raw in a salad or cook them up. Anything like that. They're a little sour, but they're good. We'll go ahead and pull some cattails out. In just a second. Maybe. Can't get that one. That one's in there pretty freaking good. See if I can get one of these. The other ones are too hard to get out. Almost busted my ass. But I got one. It did not feel good on my shoulder. My shoulder a few weeks ago. That one is not coming out. I came home and put the staghorn sumac in warm water. You can tell it's starting to change color. It's been sitting there for probably a good 2-3 hours. Those are milkweed pods. I just put them in some water, just waiting for them to boil for about, I want to boil them for about 10 minutes until these pods get soft. And they're already soft, but you want them a little bit softer. There we go. take these out of the water. This coloration you want. Little fragments won't hurt you any. Put some of my homemade maple sugar in there. I like my stuff sweet. Yeah. So we got our staghorn sumac lemonade. Which tastes exactly like lemonade. I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks.